get one, Abby gets one.
That's mine.
Which one do you want? You want the pink or blue?
Pink.
Well, then give the blue one to Abby.
This is for me. And the very deep bottom's for you. Look.
Oh, thank you.
It's for you.
Oh, I like that.
Mommy.
Hey, Abby, here's yours, honey. Look. All yours.
Yeah? Hey, Annabelle, can you say thank you to Pop, Pop, and Gammy? Say thank you. Yes, you can. Say thank you. Good job. Abby, can you say thank you? Hey, Abby, you say thank you? Thank you? Okay.